Hello everyone, welcome to CAD Nest. In this video, we are going to see how to use the CAD software NXCAD. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD Nest YouTube channel for more updates. So let us go for the design environment and let us see how to use the NXCAD software.
Then I'll go in for menu, insert, sketching task environment. I'll be selecting my reference plane, give it as OK. In last video I saw about the drawing tools. Here we'll be seeing modify tools. Modify tools that are nothing but offset curve, pattern curve, mirror curve, project curve and also quick trim, extend, fillet, chamfer, make corner. All these things we'll be seeing right now. The first modify tool we are dealing with is offset curve. For this, I'll be taking a simple line over here, say like this. Then I'll be going for offset curve. Select your curve and specify the distance. Say for example 50. If you want this in another direction, you can change the direction over here. That is reverse direction. So you can see the distance between the baseline and the offsetted line will be 50. Give it as OK. So here you can see the distance is 50. This is how we're going for offset curve option. Then next we have pattern curve. Let us see how to use the pattern curve option. In order to use the pattern curve option, I will be taking a simple circle over here. It is not only a circle, you can select any profile that you want. I will be taking a simple circle. Then I'll go for a pattern curve. Here in the pattern we have many types, that is linear pattern, circular pattern, and also we have a general pattern. Right now I will be going for linear pattern. Select a curve. This is my curve. Then it is asking for a direction, say in X direction. So you can see here my curve is getting pattern. Here I will be giving my count as say 5 and the pitch distances will be giving us 25. So here you can see that is 5 curve will be created at an equal distance of 25, 25, 25. Okay, this is how we use the pattern curve. If I give it as apply, then you can see my curve will be patterned. So this is how we use pattern curve. In pattern curve itself we have many types. Let me see one by one. So I'll going for pattern curve here. Here same, I'll going for our linear itself. Select the curve and it's asking for a direction. Select your direction, say X direction. So this is one direction. If you want to pattern your curve in two directions, that is more than one direction, here checking the use direction 2. Then specify the another direction, say vertical direction. The distance between this, let me give it as 30, and you can also reverse your direction upwards or else downwards. Here also you can specify the distance between two pattern curves, and also you can specify number of counts you want. So I will be taking a number of counts as 3. So now you can see in the second direction we have 3 counts with a distance of 30, 30, 30. In first direction we have 5 counts with a distance of 25, 25, 25. If I give it as OK, then you can see your curve will be patterned. This is how we use the linear pattern curve. And the next we are having is circular pattern. We go for pattern curve here. Here I will be selecting a circular pattern. Select your curve here and then specify the center point. Say this is my center point. And here you will be specifying say number of counts as 6. And also the pitch angle. Pitch angle is nothing but the distance between two patterns. I'll be taking it as 360 divided by 8, so that it will be 8 counts will be arranged in a circular 360 circular wise with the equal distances. Give it as OK. Here you can see 8 components, that is 8 curve is placed in a 360 degree circle with the equal angle distance. Okay. So this is how we use the pattern curve. The next we are having is mirror curve. Let me see how to use the mirror curve. I'll be deleting this curve. I'll be taking a simple rectangle over here. Then go for mirror curve. Here it is asking your curve to mirror. Say select your mirror curve. This is your mirror curve. And it's asking for a center line. Say this vertical axis is center line. Give OK. So here you can see the sketch that is drawn on one side will be mirrored on the other side with the reference axis as my vertical axis. Okay, this is how we will use the mirror curve option. The next we are going for quick trim option. Say for example, I have taken a line like this. I go for quick trim. Here you can trim your extra lines. If I select like this, you can see my lines will be trimmed like this. Okay. So this is about quick trim. The same we have quick extend. If I select a curve, the line will be extend like this. Look again, go for quick extend. I'll be selecting a line. If I select in this direction, it is asking for an extend line. If I select at this endpoint, it is going in a different direction like this. We'll be using the quick extend command. Okay. This is how we use quick trim and quick extend. Next we have fillet option, chamfer option, make corner options. So let me see how to use this. For that I'll be taking a simple rectangle over here. So like this. Now I'll be selecting my fillet options first. Go for fillet. Here we have two types, that is trim and then untrim. Usually you will select the trim options. Then select your curve and you can specify the radius. By double clicking on this, you can change your radius. Say now it is 24. I'll be changing it as 15. Enter. Like this we will be using a fillet option. Next we have chamfer option. The same way, go for chamfer. Select lines, that is this line and this line. So here you can specify a chamfer distance. You can also change this. Say for example, take it as 15. And this direction you will be taking as 10. Like this, chamfer option will be created. With the help of fillet option, we will be creating a smooth curve. With the help of chamfer option, we will be creating a straight curve. Next we have make corner options. For that I'll be going for a simple sketch like this. So like this, I have taken a simple sketch over here. Then I'll go for make corner options and I'll select my curve. Say make this and this as corner, so that the extra lines will be deleted. Again go for make corner options. I'll be selecting this line and then this line. Now you can see the extra curves over there will be deleted. That is, the corner points will be created and the extra curves will be deleted. This is how we use make corner option. And next we are having like move curve, offset curve, scale curve, resize curve, delete curve and all. Usually in NXCAD we don't use all these commands. So no, not required to learn all this. So this is all about the modifying tools that are present in NXCAD. So this is all for now. Let's meet in a next video. Thank you.